Reverse order of rows in Excel. Is there any simple way to reverse the order of some rows in Excel? I'd rather hope that there might be a suitable option in Paste Special, as there is for transpose, but apparently not.
Insert a column A, then put a counter in that row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then sort the spreadsheet on column A in descending order. To expand on Deluxe answer, instead of manually adding the 1, 2, 3, 4, you can enter 1 on the first row, then a 2 on the cell directly below it. Select both cells. Move your mouse cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell that contains the 2. The cursor should change into a plus sign. Click and drag downwards. Excel will fill in the cells you drag over and increment the values automatically. This will save you some time if you've got a large number of rows to reverse.
Insert a column A, then put a counter in that row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then sort the spreadsheet on column A in descending order.
A simple way to reverse the order of a row or a column. If you have row elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, then you want them to be in a row, but in the order 4, 3, 2, 1, like transposing, but 180 degrees instead of 90. To reverse a row, use this. The range to be reversed is I4 column L4. Note that the first column in the count is not anchored, so this value gets walked down from 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 as you copy the cell to the right. To reverse the order of elements in a column, you have Now you see that the first row element is not anchored, so the row count will decrease as the cell is copied down.
Microsoftexcel.